Mike Anderson with FLOORZZ.com. Today I'd like to talk about shipping. FLOORZZ uses a multitude of shipping avenues to get our products to you undamaged and in a timely fashion. For this video, we're going to be concentrating on freight shipping. The first question I always get is, why is shipping so expensive? The answer is that flooring is big and heavy. It takes up a lot of room on the freight truck. At FLOORZZ.com, we work constantly with freight carriers to ensure you the best rates. If you feel shipping on a potential order is too high, please contact us via email and we will try to get you a better price. Once an order is placed with FLOORZZ.com, you will receive an order confirmation immediately and a tracking number within 2 business days. Most orders from FLOORZZ.com are going to be palletized and shipped via freight carrier. For residential shipments, the shipping company is going to call for an appointment during standard business hours. You must be present to receive the shipment, unload it, inspect it, and sign for it. Floor shipments are quoted with liftgate service, however, you will be responsible for taking the products inside. I suggest having some help if necessary. If you have damaged items on your shipment, please accept it, fully inspect it, notate any damage on the shipping form before signing it. Also, please reach out to us via email immediately. If you have items shipped to a business with a forklift, you may find that it could be less expensive, so please reach out to us for that as well. Thank you for shopping at FLOORZZ.com. Once again, I'm Mike Anderson, and have a great day.